Hi, Luis. Good morning. Okay, for your email, the picture 93. Okay, and the email inside, I read many times. And okay, now we according to the C7. C7. Okay, this is the 11 centimeter is right. And Louis, if we need to have the sponge space, the sponge space, we need to reduce some space. So this C7 actually inside 90 millimeter only, 90 millimeter only. The mean is okay, 10 millimeter. Here have a 10 millimeter, the space for the sponge here for the sponge. So your mean is we need to design a new key. Is right? We need to design a new key. But how to fix on the stainless? We still 93 millimeter and still have this wider, but only change the instruction, or we can reduce the 93 millimeter. We can maybe reduce to this, and the wider reduce or something, because these 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 key. We have a design. We have an idea, not design. We have an idea. If these 4 we are totally use in one key, in one module. Sometimes, okay, anytime we have the 4 key, but we have a programmer to set up. Okay, if you use in one apartment, this 4 key push anyone is to same apartment. If we set up the 2 key, we have a programmer to separate. This 2 key is one apartment. This 2 key is another apartment. If we set up in 4 key, 4 apartment, we can program the 1, 2, 3, 4 apartment different. How about this? So if we redesign the new keypad, how about your thinking? We need to know your idea and send us detail. We can to do the right design. Thank you for your help. Thank you. Bye bye.